Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start immediately by powering on the Ps5 and confirming the output shows on screen. Once visible, make sure you have your Wi-Fi password or an Ethernet cable at hand. Navigate into Settings, then Network. This is where the reset lives. You do this because resetting effects saved network profiles and connections, so collecting credentials prevents delays. Once inside Network, pause and note your current connection type. Then proceed to the next menu to manage connection settings. You now perform the actual reset by entering connection status and choosing Set up Internet Connection or Advanced Settings. The path varies slightly, but the goal is identical. Select the Restore or Reset Network Settings command and confirm. This removes saved SSIDs, DNS entries, and custom MTU values, returning the console to default networking. Do this because it clears hidden misconfigurations that cause drops. Once confirmed, the system reboots network services. Make a note to re-enter credentials when prompted. After the reset, you reconfigure. Choose Wi-Fi and enter the password exactly, or plug in Ethernet for direct connection. Make sure to select Automatic IP/DNS unless you need custom values. Once connected, run Test Internet Connection to verify download/upload and NAT type. This confirms online services and party chat will work. If the test fails, power cycle your modem and router. Wait 30 seconds. Then try again. This simple network refresh often removes transient ISP or DHCP conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.